DT Engineering are a overhead crane and lifted equipment specialist manufacturing company. We specialise in crane safety systems and forward thinking and innovation around overhead cranes. Our latest product offering is the DT Smart Access system. What we're trying to achieve is total protection of all crane users. It takes away the risk factor of usage of heavy and industrial machinery by untrained operatives. So the way the system works is that individual users following a real-time RFID or biometric swipe are then taken through a validation process. When we started looking at the Made Smarter initiative, what they offered was additional funding, which we required to kick the project on. What we've allocated the funding to effectively is the development of the software aspect of the system and the cloud-based operation.
So we've created an interface, we've created an application that enables crane control in an authorised, regulated and auditable way. It's enabled us to bring our expertise in applications and integration together with the DT Engineering's expertise in mechanics and electrical engineering together to create a solution, in this case a minimum viable product, that helps deliver health and safety into the working environment.
Made Smarter, I think, is a great enabler. It has been able to enable companies and small companies like DT Engineering to be able to realise their ideas. DT Engineering came to the MTC wanting to develop their products, and we have been able to look at their requirements and try and establish a roadmap for them. We believe in the passion that DT Engineering have for this product.
So the funding from Made Smarter has allowed us to take us from a workshop development to actually what you can see behind us, which is the system installed on a crane at MTC. It's our definitive feeling that without the Made Smarter funding, we wouldn't have got to this point where we are today. The way that the programme is structured and the funding is structured, the bite-sized modules as it were, has been a perfect match for the way we've rolled out the project. By the successful rollout of the Smart Access system and the help from Made Smarter, what we're going to achieve is an increase in GVA in the region. We've also forecast a 40% growth in staff over the next 3-year period. So the success of this project will completely transform our business.